Welcome to another episode of Mr. Notepad Show. Today I'm going to show you how to make Snowrunner as the game, like previous games, like Winrar or Spin Tires, where you could choose the difficulty like arcade or simulation, depending on if you did like to have the differential lock, diff lock on all the time, even on hard surfaces. Press there, you will come to here, and then you press on preload, packs, clients, and if you don't have Winrar, you can always download Winrar, and then you choose to open these files with Winrar. I've already done that, so I'm here, and I will show you what it looks like when you enter the file. This is what it looks like, and as you see, you enter media, the media map, and then you enter classes, and then you have all the standard trucks here if you want to. Then you can see all the tuning files and all the standard files. But as of right now, I'm only going to do it on the newer trucks, which came out today on the new update. And then it's a little bit trickier. You have to go to DLC, and as in this case it was much more logical. It isn't always, but since I know this is phase 5, it's DLC 5, classes, trucks, and then you can choose whatever you want to. And I will open the Tetra Phoenix, start with that one, and I will search for the, here we go, difflock type installed means that it has difflock, but you have to be in the low gears. So what you really do is that you change it to always, and that will make it so that it's always on, and then you can just switch off the all-wheel drive. Why I am doing this is because it's easier for me, or I would argue easier for disabled people, to drive with the auto gear, since you don't have to change into low gears and stuff like that, and pressing different buttons and binding different buttons, blah blah blah, so on. So if you want to, you can always drive the game as you want to, but it's really easy to change this, and you can see the fuel capacity. I can change it to whatever number I would like to. And here you can see a funny thing, it uses the same icon as the engine on the Pacific P16. So it looks like that when you see the shadow of the engine, I guess. Here you can see what kind of winches it uses, so you can change the winch length on some of the winches if you want to, and so on. Here you can choose the height of the suspension, and so on. So you can choose, you can make it so that you can have different wheels on different trucks and so on. And but this is just for the simplest of things. So you do like that, and then you have to save it, and then you can close that, and then you can update the archive. Yes, and then we can go to Tetra Force T815, and we will do the same. If it isn't already, no, it's just installed, it isn't always on. So I'll do this with a couple of trucks which I like to play with. I have a few that I like to play with. Of course, I always like to try the ones that's the newest ones in the beginning, and I know that the Tetra trucks since the last update was really good actually, and I think you can. It's always easier to search for stuff, so you just search add-on. I think, yeah, wait, yeah. Here you can see the different kind of styles which you have, and you can always, when you change these, remember to, at least for me, I don't know how to correct the code in the program as of add-on plus notepad plus. So I always copy fully the code, and I only changes the values like offsets and stuff like that, so it doesn't upset the code. I had a lot of problems when I was just trying this on my own at first, because I didn't understand why things got wrong, but now I do. And it seems like they have made a crane, at least to the newer Tatra. So yeah, that's how you do it. At least I'm going to make a video, I think, about how to use 360 CE. Let's see on the add-ons. Yeah, it seems like they have matched a crane to it. Yeah. Here you can see the force of the engine on the crane, and it seems like you can also have the sideboard bed on when you are using it. So that's a welcome decision for me, at least. Anyway, you know what to do. Subscribe if you like. But anyway, see you next time. Bye.